Hello, so I'm with Liz, and we're gonna do the we're gonna film our reactions to watching the Teen Wolf finale, and then we'll show you like small little clips.
I'm really excited.
Yeah.
I'm really nervous too.
So
if I start
excited.
crying, just don't judge. Hey Dylan, baby. Hey baby. Dylan, baby, come on. Styles. Oh, here comes baby. Here comes my baby.
What the hell was that?
Hey babies. Go baby, go.
Baby Scott!
It's Native American Scott. He looks like he could be in Twilight.
Yeah, one of the werewolves. Oh wait, he is one.
Haha.
Oh no! Oh no! Wait, did she crack their neck?
She snapped their neck.
Are they dead? No.
You can't do that. No, babies. No, if they're dead, I'm gonna kill someone. If they're dead, I'm gonna kill someone.
Oh no! Derek! Oh my god.
Baby, no. Oh, the Nebaton. He got a bit where the Nebaton was.
Okay, that makes so much sense.
No, Styles.
Countdown to lunar eclipse.
Oh, hey. Oh, he's black now. Killed Derek, I swear. Yeah, she's so cute. Ooh. Do it. Jesus. No one needs your sass, Peter, okay? Why is she wearing those shoes? She's dressed like a 2-year-old.
Go back. Go back.
We have to go back.
Good.
Wait, where were they going?
Good call, Derek. Remember?
Where were they going? Oh, they were running.
Yeah. Kill him.
No.
No.
Derek.
I'm an alpha now.
I'm an alpha now.
I totally just called that.
We've done that so many times today.
Okay.
Why isn't Scott doing anything?
Yeah, why is he just standing there?
Scott, why are you just standing there? No.
No, Derek, baby, no, Derek, baby, no. She can kiss him.
Where's Scott? What are you doing?
Yeah, where is Scott?
Scott, do something.
He just gets up.
Wait, they can't be dead. They're
Ah.
alive.
My pack.
You don't have a pack.
Who's that? Is that Styles?
No, I think that's... Oh!
Styles!
Okay. Oh, you okay? Sort of.
Sure.
Yeah, of course. Great.
It was Boyd for a second.
Yeah, it's like, where did you...
I honestly don't know if he's ever coming back.
No, Derek,
Part of me
stop.
hopes so. But another part hopes that maybe he'll be
Derek!
okay. Somewhere else.
He's leaving.
Wait.
But another part hopes that maybe he'll be okay. Somewhere else.
No!
I like that Lydia and I think it's Aiden.
I don't know, but
She's so... Holland Roden is so
I
pretty.
miss Jackson.
No, Colton.
It's Ethan and
Danny.
Oh, Keahu. Oh!
I ship it.
This is such a happy
Isaac,
ending.
Allison,
Oh, stop.
Styles. Peter!
Everyone else suffers, but somehow you come out on top. And now that Scott's an alpha, you'll be able to steal it from him. You'll be an alpha again.
No!
Again.
I always have that.
Again.
Oh, good, she's dead.
The alpha. I've always been.
Somebody's got anger issues. Peter was like my bro for a little bit. He was a good guy. He was cool.